It's raining today. So today was not a very productive day here in Bali. We went walking in the rain. We're getting wet. Even with the umbrella, it's raining upwards. It's right here.
No, lobby's over there. Where are you going?
Oh yeah.
Ski
Wrong way.
When you take the list of time, let's explore our love.
We were offered a taxi, but we are enjoying the weather in Bali. So nice. We're just looking for a food shop. Not walk in the middle of the road. I've seen how they drive. Then we went to a restaurant. No, then we went swimming. It rained all day. Finally stopped raining a little bit, we think. Now we're going to the pool. Just in case we get wet, we have a towel. No.
That's an umbrella.
That's an umbrella, it's not a towel. So we will get a towel.
Can you feel me?
Water is nice. Then we went to a restaurant, and now we're training at 1 in the night. Melanie is swimming. I'm not going to. I'm just not feeling like it. Melanie is going to train gymnastics. Not gymnastics, but a gymmy thing. And I'm gonna train my breath hold training on the beach. It's very dark. And it's 1 in the night.
What one?
It will be.
It'll be 5 also, but not now.
Yes, soon to be 1. I'm going to train here. Breath hold training is so tiring. When you compare it to not breath hold training, not when you compare it to that.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Session finished.
Just been holding my breath now for the CO2 training. As you can see, you get all sweaty from not breathing because the body really wants air and you really don't want to give it to it. And tomorrow we're renting a car and gonna have a trip around on Bali here, see what we can see, because we have been at one guided tour, but we feel a bit bad having the guide standing there waiting for us while we take our time doing stuff. So we want to just take our time, do what we want to do in our own time frame. How's the water?
Huh?
How is the water?
This is the place where we should live.
But not
Warm
on this.
in February.
But not on this side of the island.
Oh, it's very warm on this. But not on this side.
Yeah.
It's so nice. So warm.
Mm.
Don't need a towel.
We are a bit disappointed in the location we are in. The hotel is very nice. Area is very nice on the hotel.
The garden.
The garden on the hotel is nice. The room is a bit dirty and a bit molded. It's starting to rain. Or is it you dripping on me? And the beach is not that nice. No, don't drip water on me. I'm trying to tell
Should I
people
drip
about the
milk
hotel.
on you?
You don't have any milk to drip on me. You drink the milk. You wouldn't pour milk on. She loves milk so much she wouldn't pour milk on people.
I wouldn't pour milk on people.
No, she wouldn't. Look, I can turn you all green. Look. You're nighttime green now. Night mode. Have a night mode.
I think I'm good to go.
Yeah, we're gonna go, and then tomorrow we're gonna do a road
Lost.
trip. Mm-hmm.
Drive on the left side.
Oh, that's
someone's gonna be pissed.
we drove through traffic here, and it's pretty not cool, the traffic.
Pretty not cool.
No,
And
and
it's left side.
it's people drive on the left side. I have never driven on the left side before, and it's so crowded, and the road is like the bicycle roads in Trondheim, in Norway. You drive, they're like this normal road, just one lane. These roads, one lane. Crazy. Yes, we should go to bed. That's very uncomfortable.
Oh, sorry.
I'm all salty.